Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is on how to make high and low peplum blouse. High and low peplum blouse. We need your fabric, your tailor's chalk, your tape rule and your scissors. Fold fabric into 4 as seen here. Mark neckline of 4.5 inches by 3 inches as seen here. Mark shoulder plus sleeve length as seen here. Slope shoulder by 1 inch as seen here. Mark 11 inches sleeve opening and connect as seen here. Cut it out as seen here. Open it up and draw the star line as seen here. Cut the front star line and draw the back star line as seen here. Cut the front star line and draw the back star line as seen here. Cut the back star line as seen here and attach your ruffles. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Please support me by subscribing to this channel, like as well as share my videos. Thank you.